Some sounds were never meant to be heard.
In 1997, something down there began speaking. No animal on Earth could explain it. For decades, the deep stayed silent to us. Then, in 1997, that silence broke.
Lowering the array now, keep clear of the line.
Roger that, looks good.
Every second brought it closer to the abyss. Light disappears first. Then, so does certainty. Scientists call this the twilight zone. It has secrets.
90% of deep life still has no name.
This plain is older than every mountain above it.
It was recording, and the ocean was listening back. Something in the dark had just moved. The seafloor itself seemed to hum.
This was the sound that broke every model.
Above the waves, alarms began to sound. Even the birds seemed to know something was wrong. No fault line down there could explain this.
It was louder than any wail, any quake, anything known.
Then, for 1 second, the entire ocean went silent. This was the sound they called the bloop. No storm was recorded that night. None at all. Physics itself seemed to bend for a moment. The equipment was never built for this. For one frame, something massive was there. Then gone.
Even NOAA's scientists could not identify a source.
This was louder than anything ever recorded in the ocean. And then, as suddenly as it began, it stopped. They had the recording. They still had no answer. The ocean forgets nothing, but it forgives quickly. Life down here has survived worse than one sound. This ecosystem has survived in darkness for millions of years. It survived, but the questions it recorded did not fade. Above the waves, the world moves on as if nothing happened. Even the birds seem to have forgotten already. But we can't forget. We have it recorded. Somewhere below, the recording still plays in labs worldwide. Every theory proposed has eventually been ruled out. The ocean existed long before this question was asked. It will likely happen again. We still won't know why. It is still down there, still listening. Beyond this point, no camera has ever reached bottom. We only ever visit. The abyss always remains. "95% of our ocean remains a mystery. We came back with more questions than we brought. The abyss was speaking long before we learned to listen.